So just left the gym, guys. Oh hi, welcome to my vlog. Just finished the gym basically, and I have this bar, Fit Crunch chocolate chip dough, that I'm going to try for the first time. So let us see how it is. It's supposed to be a protein bar, but it tastes like chocolate something. Like, good up with chocolate. And people are trying to get fat. And that's like some kind of protein bar. One bar, 380 calories.
380 what?
380 calories.
Right now. Oh my god.
I eat two. I eat two. You eat one more?
No, I didn't.
No. 380 calories. So, it sounds like it's a basic calories something. I don't know, maybe. So, we're going to go out the street again. Might end up at Whole Foods.
Shit, we never took out the chicken out of the fridge for cow.
Oh yeah.
Where they?
And then,
Where's they?
oh,
You can't see any of your cow.
oh yeah.
Make it one more cow inside.
So, get back to you guys when we reach. I'm kind of cool. I'm a bit cool. I'm kind of from the city. Downtown.
We go underwater. Listen to the dirty version.
I hear it.
Hi guys, I'm looking messy. Well, I'm never looking messy. Take that back. But this is me after the gym. Always cute. Bye guys. And now we go. What they had for lunch today?
So I'm telling you, I might go Whole Foods to get something to eat.
Jerk pork and rice and peas and what?
So I'm not can't really hold up right now. So when I come back, when we reach, I come back to
That's why you have to put
alright guys, bye. So we're going to the Whole Food.
So pop, see there. I want this a clone, yeah. That's the tree from the ear. I thought it was a clone. Yes, no. I like
it. Exactly. And then you complain, but women are clone.
it's free. I'm about to die for your rent. The signal I'm going to put your nose. So this is going to be here. Then Max me the telephone.
But there's no pets allowed. You know?
Yeah?
There's no pets allowed, you know?
Oh, this is America. Ain't nobody scared of y'all. You know, I should have come in here and buy my bars. Well, I'm not.
So we're in Whole Foods now. And yeah, let's see if we get food to eat. They don't have nothing today. Yeah, they don't have nothing. They don't have nothing.
What is this? Broccoli and bacon. Ew. What is this?
I don't see nothing.
Thank God for this bar to hold me. Everything is just beef. And the only thing that's supposed to be healthy is fried. That looks like something I'm talking. You know when somebody dig it out with them teeth and pull out the bone? And them good feet, them nasty here. So I'm gonna take a salad. I'm not doing no salad. But if you're careful, remember some people about the chicken.
I've never remember.
I think there's some fruit there. Let me get some.
Yeah.
Let me get some fruit just so. Let me see.
They're not even no nice fruit.
Exactly.
I just pineapple would I eat.
No, that's not grapes. That's a
Raspberry,
no,
blueberry.
But they have pineapple and strawberries. They have no grapes though.
Exactly. Yeah, take the fruit.
Put this in my bag. Yeah, make it some fruit.
Alright, just take one and eat out of my ears. Yeah, because I just, what I have when I eat, pineapple and the pineapple only. That's it. The pineapple and the strawberry, that's all.
Guys, eat your fruits, okay? Eat your fruits.
Oh my god, oh my god.
2018, we're being healthy until we die. Walking with stick.
How much time do you want?
Pineapple for the boom boom. Them they have to scratch my throat.
You're allergic to pineapple?
No, it's just that once we start to eat woolly, it scratch my throat and make the tongue burn. My tongue
Put two
on me.
blackberry in there.
On me. No.
Put two blackberry in it, yeah.
They go weigh this now and charge me an arm and a leg.
Do you want to split it?
No.
I see him something.
Flip it weird.
The match that I see my moon.
Yeah. That's 5 pounds. So just wait.
Yeah.
Don't matter. Ew. Oh, that's
it.
I have some nuts. Nuts healthy. Underwater. We go underwater. My legs are underneath and it's a bad habit. It's a bad habit. So much.
Look, I'm not eating much for the day. I just 3 times.
That catch me every day because I wake up late, the half of the day done, when I get to eat. So I'm going to go to the supermarket later and try and get some beef.
We need for meal prep. So I might need for meal prep.
Alright. That's hot.
All the foods you should not eat.
There's no food you should not.
Sugary donut.
There is no food in this world that
Sugar. You should not eat sugar.
you can eat is all. It's all about portions.
You're not supposed to eat sugar. Sugar is death.
No there.
Yes, it is.
No there.
It is.
Your body needs everything. Just like how you use honey. Honey is sugar. Honey is sugar. No matter if it's healthy or no, it's still sugar. Just like salt, your body needs sodium. All of these, you just can't overdo these things. End of story.
Your body don't need flour.
Don't argue with me. It's not.
Your body don't need flour. Your body need carb.
It's not that you need it. I'm just saying you don't have to cut out any food groups you can eat, but just eat in moderation.
Alright, suppose I have half a donut every day.
you're not going to eat it every day. That's
Just a moderation.
No.
I normally eat 5 a day.
No.
I normally eat 5 a day. But you said moderation.
Don't misquote me.
That's why you must
That's
always.
why you're not omitting the food group, but you treat yourself like once or twice a week. And you eat healthy and you mix that with exercise, it's straight. Like me, I eat pure garbage. Billy's here to show it. That's all I don't eat garbage.
Exactly.
But you don't have to omit anything because I do eat a cookie and all that. Even the bar you just had. Like, it's chocolate still, even though it's protein, it's still chocolate, but what? It's a healthier version. Carbs, healthy carbs, all of that to help muscles recover. You know you're not supposed to argue with me that thing.
No, but I can argue with you. We can have this debate at home.
We're not going because there's nothing to debate.
Yes, we can have this debate.
There's nothing to debate.
There is a lot to debate.
So I like lemon. Underwater, we go underwater.
You put down the ginger.
We put it on them smoothies.
Big Island Pig. Alright, have a go.
Well, she not pick up which island, but you know what's that island.
Island, I think she could have get big, not because the mother. Underwater, we go underwater. We go my first movie.
Yeah, so we got no food here. We just got fruit. We'll get with food. We'll get what Uber. That we have. Uber. Let me go home. They could have bought me flowers.
I was going to, and then I'm like, no, this is not going to be a trend where every time people come in and buy
It should be though.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Spending money for the female and
Gotcha.
guys, I'm still gay, so if any cute people on here, hit me up. I'm not going to give you my details, just hit me up.
Spoon. Me know some of them and dirty.
Yeah, I'm desperate. Yeah, real desperate. I just need a little baby who's gonna listen.
She don't need not a soul.
I need a little baby.
I am not. I'm not going to allow you guys
I need a
to
little
her.
baby who's gonna listen.
Oh, he's so cute. He does look like cute.
Just
Like a little chihuahua.
Just listen to me.
I am talking about the dog.
And I am talking about the baby that I need that's gonna listen. While we're outside in the cold,
I don't know. We need to sit down in the town.
we need to go to Runyon Canyon tomorrow.
Tomorrow Saturday? Yeah, we can do that.
Underwater, we go underwater. I wouldn't go Panama with that sand leper. Yeah? You look like shit.
Maybe you are.
Angles, it's about angles.
Yeah.
My arms just look, oh my god, yes.
So anyways.
They're amazing. You don't have no of a second.
So anyway.
Okay, you don't have no of a second.
Find the Uber.
So 6 minutes away. I'm going to take over our vlog, you know. Alright, I'm going to go to some of a watch, you know, because she don't have no of a second. No.
Yeah, so anyways, guys.
She has nothing to say, guys. She has nothing to say.
Out here cool.
4 minutes away.
My eye burn me every time I come from gym.
Remember, you didn't
Sweat.
put on, no. You didn't put on
Moisturizer.
That's why, because it's running on your eye, dumb. Which one you put on, the sunscreen on? That one they burn out your cock.
Because you need to put sunscreen on your face.
Not about that line. Okay.
You should be about that.
Drive. You know me is a crop.
You are.
You know me can jump in my car now.
Exactly.
Speed through traffic. Guys, I don't know how to drive and I'm scared of the road, okay? I'm very scared of the road here.
Oh, they smoke cigarettes with a bird in my eye.
Yeah. But me's a crop. I can't believe that the year almost done. I'm still.
I still exactly.
Can you believe it? Don't worry.
We could have a road trip to Las Vegas.
May I tell you? No, don't worry. 2019 now passed on the Benz pull up. Jump into the Benz up my ground. I'll touch the pump.
And that me have when me reach over here, I say jump in. You're just saying jump in the Benz that me go.
Yeah, and me I go come at airport and yeah, jump on the Benz up, go and drive.
Nevada.
Underwater, me go underwater. Yo, I can't wait to start driving. That's not true.
No,
crazy. But look how
you don't want to learn to drive because you don't want to stop get chauffeur driven so you can text.
Why people keep saying that? Like,
because you want text. First of all, that's why you don't learn to drive it, you know.
There's video call these things.
No, but exactly. But you don't want to do that. You want to text and listen music and on her phone. So she don't want. She don't want to learn to drive.
I got to keep up with my.
Nah, put that in on me. I believe it out. I'm just saying. I'm not going in there because I am not condoning this conversation. My mother watches my vlog. Jesus Christ.
Whoops. Oh my God, don't put it in there.
I'm going to put it in there.
Hi, mommy. Jesus Christ.
I'm just bloop that out.
Christ. No, where's this Uber? Where's this Uber?
4 minutes away.
On that street. On the other street, because apparently it's here. Why am I going wrong with it? Like, what's happening right now? We're looking
Afraid of the popo.
We're looking for 7P.
What kind of car?
Honda Accord. I don't know what that is. What is a Honda? What is a Accord?
True, they used to BMW. I must BMW, I know.
Lie, don't tell a lie. My husband drive a little torn up Toyota.
Lies.
True.
Can't do problem with it.
One torn up Toyota. You forgot to look at torn up car road it have where tabo.
Did
the plate at
you mean did, operative word did.
With the license plate at Jaffa.
The license plate did not Jaffa?
No. Yeah, God no. And the front mash up.
After the accident?
No, the license plate. Well, Alex I make joke about it. That's fall. And so we go at the restaurant and Beverly Hills and him. I come home. Look well nice and you take the car and go pull up on a piece of car with the license plate at Jaffa. Why? And God, I swear.
Well, operative word did have. And why did you have that one?
Because we out here.
Exactly. Lies.
Underwater.
The business.
Believe you're supposed to run dry alone.
I'm gonna stop lick. My camera.
If you lick it, I will try you.
Yeah, but put on chopstick right now.
I'm not getting none of mine.
Never asked if it none. But it begging on. But yeah, drop it to chopstick down. Okay, yes, man. See, on the Accord, you know, it is.
Yeah. No, wait. Before you go into the people that care, what did that girl here? Yes, this is him.
So, now that me say?
Oh, hello. Yes.
Yes.
It is. I thought you were going to be on the other side. You saved me so much time.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Let's go.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you guys.
So this is our Uber driver today.
Let's go. Okay.